Ayodhya and the Ram Temple catapulted the BJP from being a 2 Lok Sabha seats wonder in 1984 to a party in power in the late 90s. Mandal or caste was defeated by Kamandal or religion. But since then, a lot of water has flown down the Saryu River in Ayodhya. BJP's temple pulpit has lost favor with the voters. But this time around, for 2014, Narendra Modi, BJP's prime ministerial candidate, is attempting to blend the new with the old. Lord Ram and the Ram Temple finally entered Narendra Modi's campaign. With a hoarding displaying the two known elements from BJP's past poll campaigns, Modi visibly introduced soft Hindutva. He spoke for 25 minutes, 15 kilometers away from the disputed site in Ayodhya, where BJP has been proposing a Ram temple. But at ground zero, Modi kept the crowds engaged only by invoking Lord Ram. He promised Ram Raj, not Ram temple. His rivals reacted strongly to the use of religious symbols by him. UP's election in charge is probing the issue.
अब वापस वही बात पे आ गए हैं, सांप्रदायिक भाषण दो और राम मंदिर दिखाओ.
Modi was walking the tightrope. He turned Mandir to being a cosmetic mention in the party manifesto. He hadn't mentioned Ram or a temple till date. The hawks in the Saffron Parivar want temple in for their support. Modi is saying no for a wider vote base and more allies. So some are angry, some are accepting his line.
यहाँ सबसे पहले आकर के रामलला का दर्शन करना चाहिए था, उनका आशीर्वाद करना चाहिए था.
मोदी जी मंदिर के बारे में क्यों नहीं बोले?
मंदिर के बारे में क्यों नहीं बोले? वो तो धूली को मस्तक पर लगाए तो मंदिर तो इनको बनाना ही है.
On the ground, the BJP has been working to make up for Modi's silence on the temple. Sangh activists over the last 9 months have visited lakhs of villages, gone door to door, connecting Modi to the temple issue. At this VHP workshop in Ayodhya, Modi's link to the temple is clear. The carving of stones for the temple, silent for 4 years, restarted in 2012, coinciding with RSS plan to launch Modi. That is why beyond Ayodhya, it was business as usual for Modi. He stuck to his development mantra, attempted to do a Rahul Gandhi. In Ambedkar Nagar, a widow, Sanju Devi, stood next to him.
संजू देवी का क्या गुनाह है? क्या उसके सिंदूर को लूट लिया गया? कोई संजू देवी नहीं होगी जिसको न्याय के लिए तड़पना पड़े.
The ability of a politician not to tell how his voters should feel about a certain issue, instead which issue they should focus on, is always a challenge. Narendra Modi is indulging in a delicate balancing act. He wants his voters to accept his development chant. Those who want a Ram temple, he can always indulge in subtle hints that the temple is almost ready in form of these pillars at the VHP workshop in Ayodhya. For those who are averse to a temple, Narendra Modi can always quote his silence on the Ram temple issue in his speeches and also at this workshop in Ayodhya. With Ramesh Verma in Ayodhya, Rahul Srivastava for NDTV.